All right, this is take 3 on this video. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe my phone is too close to the exhaust, but every time that I rev the throttle, my phone video stops. So let me do this again. Take 3, Indian oval slip-on exhaust. I took my bike to the dealer for its first service this morning and decided to give these a go. I was initially thinking I was going to go Reinhardt or Road Shark, but I don't know, last minute decision, I just jumped on these. So I'm going to start the bike up again real quick. I'm going to pull my phone back from the bike a little. Maybe that's, I'm not sure what was making it shut off on my first couple attempts here. So let me set the video camera further back, and hopefully it doesn't stop the video when I turn it on this time. Okay, one moment. All right, hopefully that worked. I'll splice it together. Thanks for watching.